Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make honey mustard dipping sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of honey, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Also, have 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper ready. Grab a mixing bowl and a whisk, and let's get started on this simple, delicious sauce. Begin by adding 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise to your mixing bowl. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of golden honey, ensuring you get all that sweet goodness. Then, introduce 2 tablespoons of robust Dijon mustard. Now, take your whisk and thoroughly combine these 3 core ingredients until the mixture is smooth and evenly blended, forming the perfect base for your sauce. To elevate the flavor profile, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This provides a lovely tang and brightness. Follow that with 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder for a subtle, aromatic depth that complements the other ingredients beautifully. Finally, season your sauce with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Give it another good whisk to ensure all these wonderful flavors are fully incorporated. Now for the best part, taste your homemade honey mustard. Adjust any seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a touch more honey, until it's absolutely perfect for your palate. Once satisfied, transfer your delicious dipping sauce into an airtight container. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, ready for all your favorite snacks. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.